नमस्कार, आप सभी का स्वागत है। हम हैं मारवा स्टूडियोज़ में, जहां पे नए बैचेस का ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम चल रहा है और आज हमारे साथ हैं बहुत ही एनर्जेटिक, पैशनेट और डेडिकेटेड विशेष द परकशनिस्ट, अ नेशनल अवार्ड विनर। सो आई वेलकम यू हियर।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक्स।
सर, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि आपकी जर्नी कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई, लाइक द मेकिंग ऑफ एन आर्टिस्ट।
It is a very strange kind of a journey that I'll say, because जब हमने शुरू किया तब I was like a normal kid itself. So ऐसा कोई talent था नहीं उस time पे, पता नहीं था मुझे कि I'll be a percussionist in future like that or something. But I think my parents and everyone, they saw some spark in me because I used to play everything around.
Like what?
Like
Which all
cans,
Okay.
buckets,
Okay, those were your instruments.
Almiras, and those two with spoons.
Okay.
So I still have some marks on some of the almiras that I have it right now also. So वो कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी थी मेरे साथ कि वो मेरी ज़िंदगी का एक पार्ट बन गई, which helped me in becoming a percussionist, because by seeing that, my parents got to know that yes, I have that talent in me.
You have that music in your soul.
Music in myself and that in my soul itself, because I think that came into me like a God gift, because I think I was too rhythmic in my childhood days also. So at the age of 4 or 5, I think I started learning also.
Okay, so you
And I
professionally started learning.
Learning, and side by side I was playing also. At the age of 6 or 7, I started playing also.
Okay, so
So
any
I was-
performances or
Performances were that
As a child?
As a child, I was basically in my zonals. I used to win those zonals in my schools,
Okay,
colleges, and all those things. I was doing a lot of like activities, inter-school competitions. I won a lot of prizes there itself. So that is how the art was in me, but it always needed to be polished.
yeah.
So if an artist is there, polishing of every art is very, very important, and that was done by my gurus itself.
Oh,
So I
who's
think-
your mentor? Who's your guru?
I'll tell you, I had a lot of gurus, and I'm too fortunate to be guided under them. My main guru in my school was Ustad Shafat Ahmed Khan Sahab and Mr. Hari Om Sharma, and he was teaching me in school. Matlab, they both were teaching me in school, and one of my gurus is not with us, Ustad Shafat Ahmed Khan Sahab. So
But I'm sure his blessings are always there.
always with
you.
me. I think I become very emotional when I'm talking about him. And the second person who guided me was Ustad Hari Om Sharma. So he actually saw that spark in me, and he told his brother to teach me at my home. So his name is Mr. Radhesham Sharma. And last but not the least, the main teacher who got me into this was my own guru, Sumit Kaur ma'am. So she was the only lady who fought for me in the school that he'll be a tabla player. He will be very active in playing tabla in school. So she got me in prayers.
Which
She-
school do you belong to?
I belong to Mata Jaikor Public School,
Okay, okay.
and I'm a very proud to say that this school has shaped me in becoming a musician himself. So, and that teacher has got everything in me.
I'm
She
sure
has
the school is
enclosed-
also proud that they have like created
Yes.
an artist who's
Yes,
doing so
yes,
well in life.
Yes, because I think teachers are the main part and parcel of
Exactly,
your life.
yeah. We cannot
And
do anything without
we
the
can't
gurus.
do anything without the gurus, and I think so that my teacher got me into this. Then she told, yes, sir, आप इनको तबला सिखाओ, इनको घर लेके जाओ,
Okay.
इनके घर में इनको तबला सिखाइए और शुरू करिए. तो that knowledge of getting me into classical was guided by my dear ma'am.
What
Sumit
is
Kaur.
which instrument is your favorite one? Like you
I
play that
think anything
most?
that is round is my favorite, because the shape that I liked in mathematics and all those trigonometries and everything was circle.
Okay.
So circle always attracted me.
The dynamism.
The way that has attracted other people in life also, because circle, अगर ये circle नहीं होता तो आज आप travel नहीं कर पाते.
Exactly.
आप आज एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा नहीं पाते. तो I think circle is a very important part in our life.
So every instrument is close to your heart.
Very instrument that has a circle is very close to me.
Okay.
And I think so the first instrument that I would say is very much attracted to me is tabla,
Tabla.
because it's in itself a complete instrument. You don't need anything. If you have a tabla, you don't need anything around.
So in what way? Like
In what way I'll tell you, because there are three frequencies that are in any of music, and the three frequencies are lows, mids, and highs. And tabla consists of three frequencies in one instrument.
Okay,
You
all
can
the
see
three.
the lows, you can feel the mids, and you can feel the highs in tabla.
That fascinates you.
That fascinates me because it's a complete instrument.
Instrument in itself.
It's a complete instrument in itself. Some instruments don't have that lows and bass. Some mids are missing. In some, if you talk about a ghungru, there's no low in a ghungru.
Okay.
There's no mid in a ghungru, but there is always a high in a ghungru. So that is why it's not a complete instrument.
I'm a novice in this regard.
I know that is a very technical kind of a thing
Yeah,
that I'm
but-
telling
but
you.
it's interesting.
But the people who are listening, they will get to know what is a low,
Yeah,
mid, and a
it's
high.
pretty interesting.
So that is the main thing. So that is I love
So
tabla.
we have seen you performing. So I want to ask you that kind of energy, that kind of enthusiasm, कहाँ से लाते हो आप और कितने hours practice करते
I
हो?
think
कुछ tips, कुछ
There's no
mantras.
tip about being energetic. It's all about being yourself when you're on stage.
No, but the inspiration would come from
Inspiration
somewhere.
is the
na?
people who are standing in front of me.
Okay.
I'll tell the truth, because the energy that they are throwing it to me on the stage, I'm a very boring person in life, I'll tell you. In my personal life, I'm a very boring guy. And
How can you say that?
I'm saying that because a musician always has his own life. He always has his own aura. So he's always a guy who, every musician, a true musician would be, he stays in himself. He stays in himself, he has a small room.
That's with every artist.
Every artist
whether
itself.
it's a writer.
And some people think, यार तू कितना boring है, तू 24 घंटे म्यूजिक में रहता है, तू कभी बाहर नहीं आता, फ्रेंड से बात नहीं करता, because I love being with my music, because I have married to music myself.
that is like you are not boring. They are not getting your attention. That's why
That's why you can call
they're
that.
offended.
But whenever I'm on stage, I'm a different Vishesh. That is what I call myself, because that is the pass on of energy from one person to another. And the people who are standing in front of me, when they're seeing me, I'm taking their energy in myself.
Their love, their charm inspires
I
you
think
to perform.
no music is sweeter than applause.
Exactly.
That is what I call.
Appreciation.
So appreciation is something that gives you energy, that makes you what you are, and that is what Vishesh is on stage.
Tremendous. Sir, we know that you are a national award winner and a great percussionist, right? So I want to know that feeling when you got that national award for the first time. What were your emotions
I
at that
think
time?
what is nation? Nation is about India.
Yeah.
And I represent India. That is the biggest thing for me. National award is like a feather in a cap. So I was doing my work earlier. I will be doing my work, and in future also I'll be doing percussion itself.
तब कैसा लगा था?
It was an amazing feeling, because when you get recognized for what you are doing in life, it's the
इतनी मेहनत
best
के बाद
feeling. It's the
इतनी
best
सारी
feeling.
मतलब तपस्या होती है ये.
Exactly. That is the best feeling in life, and I think so that has given me a kick to do more, to present more, and I always say this ki till my last breath I'll be entertaining each and every one of you.
That's so lovely.
That is what has given me the national award has given it to me myself. I will say you ki now I want to work more. I want to be with you guys more. I want to play music more. I want to be with my instruments more. I want to be with music more. So that has given me everything more.
What I believe is that whatever skill we have, that's a blessing bestowed upon us by God, right?
True.
So it's our duty to entertain the world or to share that bounty with them also.
Yes,
so
that's true.
your approach is really very correct and really inspiring. And I know that you have your speciality as laser percussions, right?
Yes.
So I want you to share something about that concept. कहाँ से आया और मतलब
I
क्या special है उसके बारे
I
में?
think actually the main inspiration behind it was my name.
Okay.
So if you talk about Vishesh, from my childhood I always wanted to do something different. You don't know I am the only guy who got, if you talk about electronic tablas in India. If you have talked about electronic guitars,
ये मुझे
you
नहीं
just
पता
have
था,
to,
Fans.
yes, you just have to plug in a wire in a guitar and you play a guitar, right?
Yeah,
So
electronic
the
guitars.
same way you plug in wires into your tablas.
So मतलब आपने अपना love for तबला कर दिया justify.
Justify because I think so मैंने उसको सबसे पहले electronically इसको treat किया था. And I thought कि why not without mics we can play tablas.
Nice.
So you don't need any mics to play a tabla. You just plug in your wire. You can plug it into any of your like audio devices and you can play a tabla.
Wow.
And then that got into me कि नहीं यार तबला हो गया अब next क्या करूँ? तो next करने के लिए I thought of laser percussions.
Okay.
that was a technology that I got made in India itself. I got a guy, I told him what to be done, what not to be done. So I told him कि यार इसको ऐसे ऐसे करके अगर हम ट्रीट करते हैं तो ये लेजर्स के थ्रू हम एक म्यूजिकली ट्रीट कर सकते हैं लेजर्स को, so that we can get good visual and audio both. So when you see it, you feel yes, something different is happening, and if you hear it, yes, you see something different is happening. And then the next concept that I've got is there is a instrument brand that I've got to India. That was the first that is the first instrument given to me by a company called Vamboka.
Okay.
And they have endorsed me for this instrument.
So what kind of instrument is it?
It is a transparent darbuka. You have heard of an instrument called darbuka. The people who are musicians would get to know it.
Okay.
It's if you call about it's a instrument from Istanbul.
Kind of tabla only?
No, it's kind of a tabla, but it's a single drum which has the sound of a mid, lows and bass in one. So it's called darbuka.
Darbuka.
Darbuka. So it is into a transparent form.
Transparent kind of
transparent means that you can see through it.
Okay.
So it's a glass kind of an instrument. It looks very beautiful if you see it.
But what's the material? It's not a glass actually. I'm only playing on a glass.
No, it's a fabric. It's a plastic fabric. So they have made it from
Transparent
that.
fabric.
Transparent fabric. And they have made it through that. And it's a full transparent instrument. It sounds exactly like a
So
darbuka.
you gave that concept?
No. Actually, the concept was by them.
Okay.
But now what we are doing is
playing
I'm playing that. Okay. And we are doing some of the changes into it, that how can it sound good. So I'm helping the company to get that done.
Okay.
And how we can change the sounds of it, what we can do new to it. So for this, I'm helping them with this.
That's so creative. That's the best
and
part.
I've put some lights into it, so that it becomes very attractive to see on shows of mine.
That's the best part. Like you already know your talent and you're performing and doing, but you are creating also something, innovations day by day. So that's really fascinating.
I think that gives me life.
Exactly.
That gives me life. That actually is, if you don't do something different in your life, it's very boring. You can't eat a dal makhni every day.
You cannot stop somewhere. You have to grow.
Somewhere.
Right,
you have to do something different so that people could see that you are going one step forward in life.
People and खुद की self satisfaction भी शायद तभी हमें मिलती है कि हमने कुछ grow किया, कुछ सीखा या कुछ करा और develop.
True.
Okay, sir, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके, and I really want you to inspire the aspiring musicians. Please give some message for them.
To be true, I'll tell you very frankly that every musician is doing so well in life and they know what to do in life, but some who are not should firstly know what they have in them, because till the time you believe in yourself, you can't give anything out. So first is believe in yourself, believe in your music, do whatever you want to do in life, and don't get panicked, because this line needs patience. Patience is far most important in life. So you have to succeed. Either it's today or tomorrow. Success is always there. So keep doing whatever you are and don't listen to anything else. What your heart says, just do that, because that is what I did in my life, and I am standing in front of you, I am sitting in front of you, I am doing something in front of you. So I think just keep doing whatever you are, and but always keep a check on yourself that you are doing right or not, and that can be done only because when you have a good guru in front of you. And be always ready to get a critic, because that critic would always be your first
True judge.
True judge, exactly. So first of all, don't be shy of getting a critic with you, and be happy in whatever you do, and all the best to you guys. Love you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words and gracious presence.
So much.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. तो देखा दोस्तों आपने कि इंस्पिरेशन हमें तभी मिलती है जब हमें ऑडियंस लाइक करती है, प्यार करती है, और वो तभी करेगी जब आप अपने पैशन के प्रति बहुत डेडिकेटेड हैं, उसे अपनी तपस्या मान के परफॉर्म करते हैं और आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं. हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा विशेष द परकशनिस्ट, द नेशनल अवार्ड विनर से आज मिलकर. मैं श्रेया कत्याल लेती हूँ आपसे इजाज़त, बट फिर मिलूंगी एक नए गेस्ट के साथ एनसीआर दिस वीक में. तब तक के लिए देखते रहिए MS TV, हर पल आपके साथ.